Hello everybody, welcome to Aerial Dude. Today we are exploring the beauty of a stunning three-tiered waterfalls in the lush forest of Soar, also called Cherrapunji. It's a magical spot hidden in Meghalaya, India's cloud home. If you love nature and adventure, this place is for you. For me personally, this is the most beautiful falls in this region. So get ready for a journey that will make you want to pack your bags and visit. To get here, fly to Guwahati Airport, about 150 kilometers away. Then take a cab and ride through winding roads and pine trees and pretty valleys. The fall is situated some 60 kilometers southwest of Shillong in the East Khasi Hill district and is in close proximity to another major waterfall, Daintaran Falls. By the way, if you haven't seen our video about mighty Daintaran Falls, check it out in our channel. The journey is fun from Shillong. Drive towards Daintaran Falls, then take a short 2 to 4 kilometers road to Wei Saw Dong. Park your car and pay a small fee. Start 10 to 15 minutes hike. You'll walk down to steep paths, cross bamboo bridges and hop over small streams. It's a little tough, but it's so worth it. Meghalaya is all about green hills and heavy rains. As you walk, the air feels cool and smells like you are in a garden. The trees open up and they are Wei Saw Dong. This waterfall has 3 levels, like steps of water. Each has its own crystal clear pool. And from the 3rd level, slides into the valley below. The water is in deep blue color. Thanks to Cherrapunji's pure rains, one of the rainiest places on earth. Wei Saw Dong feels special because it's quiet and you really feel so isolated from the busy world. Unlike bigger falls like Nokalakai, you can dip your feet in the pool or even swim if you are brave.
Kublai api baro mentang niladon hamni kat wei janggo wei saudara. The green forests, rocky cliffs and the mist make it feel like a secret paradise. Local Khasi people says the water has healing power and you'll feel the calm and the vibe all around. You hear the waterfall's gentle roar and feel cool mist on your face. So much of birds are around in the surrounding woods. In the dry season, the water is calm and great for swimming. During the rainy months, which is June to September, it gets wild and strong. Just be careful on the wet, slippery paths. The best time to visit is September to October. The weather is cool, around 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, and the skies are clear for great photos. Summer works too, but bring a raincoat. Rain can come anytime. Pick up your trash to keep Wei Saw Dong beautiful. Want to visit? Go early to avoid crowds. Wei Saw Dong is still a hidden gem. Wei Saw Dong Waterfalls is more than a place. It's a peaceful escape in a busy world. It invites you to slow down and enjoy nature's beauty. If you're dreaming of Meghalaya, put Wei Saw Dong on your list. Grab your camera, hit the trails, and let the water refresh you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more adventures. Like and share if you loved this. And I'll see you next time. Until then, keep exploring.